This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We have a trade update. Please hit the like button. Guys, get out the word to all the VIP, everybody else. We have a flat top resistance, ascending line of support, 4 hourly time frame. I want to bring a word of caution. Appreciate you guys slamming into that like button. Shout out to the VIP. Guys, we're looking for another weekend up and coming. Jackson Hole Fed meeting is incoming on Friday. Let's go, guys. Should have some good volatility. We're looking forward to it. Flat top resistance, ascending line of support. Remember, on the 15-minute time frame, we also had this specific ascending triangulation fail. Boom, to the downside. Very important. Also on the top level feature. Very important. We had another ascending triangulation on that hourly. Guys, that's one ascending triangle failed. Two ascending triangles failed. The third, guys, we're going to look at the MACD in a few moments. I'll just encourage all of you to do a multi-time frame review on the MACD. But yes, amidst the hourly and the 4 hourly showing a nice flat top resistance, there's a bit of variation. Bit of variability that we would look at on the candle wicks. So mind the fact that while we would be looking for let's go into this on the 4 hourly, and let's measure out the amplitude move, boom, to the upside. Yes, we're looking at a nice potential move to the upside from the current price. We're looking at over 4% to that 22,180, about 180. However, looking at this bottom line support carry up to the top line feature, you'll notice that we're scoped in very well with the definition of a bear flag. Very important that we would keep that in mind, as well as the preceding zones that have failed. And the biggest warning of all, just going to say it like it is, the biggest warning of it all in terms of the technicals would be this bottom line support on the 4 hourly. The fact that we're still tucked underneath the line chart on the 4 hourly. Now, yes, we need to reclaim this top line feature. We need to get back up and above preceding support to make sure it's not confirmed as resistance. But this is a very difficult pattern to trade underneath a line of prior or preceding support that is in the process, guys, in the process of confirming as resistance. I would not blame any trader at all who said, I'm going to sit this one out. In spite of the fact, I'm going to tell you guys, in spite of the fact that on the specific candle wick feature at the candle wick here, pick up candle wick here, we're still maintaining this level of support. So we have a differentiation between the actual line chart being underneath and the actual candle wick, boom, to the downside. This is actually reflective of the macro log chart, and VIP know what we're talking about. That macro log chart's a big deal. I'm going to let you guys know we've been trading these patterns in the back. What is up, guys? Beautiful expanding diagonal, boom, expanding diagonal, boom. They take a while to get there, but they do produce. Want to shout out to the VIP, excited J Mac. I just want to say that we are extremely impressed with the charts, my man. You keep bringing them, I'll keep featuring you, bro. That is VIP. You guys can join today with this link or on YouTube with a desktop computer. Hit that specific link, then put I am VIP. I want to let you guys know we had 130 plus. And once you hit this on the first pinned tweet, that'll put you in touch with me. We'll make sure you can, guys, that you can long this, you can short, you can leverage. What I'll say is that you can hedge if need be. What I'm going to say is 130 plus VIP the first month. Boom. Guys, nobody has that story. We have that story. J-Mac, this is what it's all about. After all the volume, all the people, everybody else at VIP, when somebody shows up in VIP and they're doing a chart like that, they are ready to beat the market. I'm telling you, Jay, we could have 50, 60 show up tomorrow. I'll take one trader in the back who wants to show up and throw a chart like that. That's a nice chart. That's money. That people who understand that chart, that's money. Guys, we focus on the New York Institute of Finance, covering trades all day. And yes, it is for the elite. I'm going to say that YouTube, what do they recommend it, and we insist upon it, guys, in terms of membership in our back rooms. Twitter for enterprise security, so you guys feel safe in terms of your trade endeavor, which is not easy online. That's why we use Twitter. We really appreciate YouTube, and we appreciate Twitter. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Wanted to bring you the trade alert. Yes, caution number one, caution number two, in terms of the preceding ascending triangles. We're in a fix right now. I have to say that what I'm going to tell you, is that we have got a good look at some MACD in the back. Make sure you review the 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hourly. Make sure that you're looking at all your time frames for your MACD. Some people won't pay attention to this. It's the most important part of your trading. Momentum, where is it pushing? 4 hourly, tapering off. We have about 2 hours left. Guys, before this bar here, are we heading down on the 4 hourly? The 8 hourly is strong, but it is contradicted by the daily. Boom. When I talk about MACD, when I talk about momentum, every pattern needs momentum to complete. Period. Every pattern needs momentum to complete. To the extent that you don't have a confirmation or that you don't have agreement between the time frames, sometimes that's when traders will lay off, guys. The most disciplined traders will lay off and look for that better level of confirmation. The 8 hour looking strong. Pay attention to that 30-minute. It's been consistent. Pay attention to the 30-minute time frame and the hourly time frame, and I'll let you know that those 1 minute, that 1 minute and 5 minute will be very key, very crucial at the time of any breakout. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Hope you guys are doing well. Looking forward to, guys, a great weekend in 2022. We are building. We'll talk to you soon. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.